Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the virtual class 7th, chapter 7 of Civics Understanding Media. Students, in this chapter, we are going to cover the following topics: media and its types, responsibilities of the media, role of the media in a democracy. We use different type of mediums to communicate and exchange ideas. When we want to communicate with a person or a group, we use means of personal communication such as टेलीफोन एंड लेटर्स. एज वी वॉन्ट टू कन्वे, अगर मुझे अपनी किसी फ्रेंड से बात करनी है तो आई वुड नॉट यूज़ एनीथिंग एल्स. मैं फ़ोन पे भी बात कर सकती हूँ या आई कैन गो टू दैट प्लेस, उनकी जगह पर जाकर उनसे डायरेक्टली बात कर सकती हूँ. बट इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू कम्युनिकेट माई कॉन्वर्सेशन विद लार्ज ऑडियंस, जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व हों, तो वो मास कम्युनिकेशन कहलाता है. एंड व्हाट आर द मीन्स आई कैन यूज टू कन्वे माई प्रॉब्लम्स एंड माई सजेशंस? बाय रेडियो, न्यूज़पेपर्स, टेलीविजन, मैगजीन्स एंड इंटरनेट. Collectively, personal and mass means of communication are known as media, and means of personal communication is known as personal media, and means of mass communication is known as mass media. So, I will be continuing from the book Mass Media, page number 253. Mass media refers to those mediums of communication that can reach a large audience across a country or a world. तब हमें बहुत सारे लोगों में अपना कम्युनिकेशन करना हो, कन्वे करने हो अपने आइडियाज़, दैट इज़ नोन एज द मास मीडिया, जिसके थ्रू हम अपना कम्युनिकेशन और लोगों तक पहुंचाएंगे. On the basis of the technology used by these mediums to reach out to the audience, they are divided into print media and electronic media. Print media includes newspaper and magazines that communicate information to the audience with the help of the written word. Electronic media includes TV and radio that use sound, images, satellites, cables, and so on to reach the audience. You can see the picture in your book also. This is newspaper are one of the oldest mediums to reach to large audience across the country. The newspaper is an example of print media. ऑल राइट. अगर हमें कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है और वो लार्ज पॉपुलेशन में कन्वे करनी है तो प्रिंट मीडिया इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. इसमें हम न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश करा सकते हैं, मैगज़ीन में प्रिंट करा सकते हैं और अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को, इन्फॉर्मेशन को ऑडियंस तक पहुंचा सकते हैं. ऑल राइट. सो मास मीडिया का जो बेसिस है वो न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं. और जैसे जैसे अब टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट होता जा रहा है, कंप्यूटर्स और इंटरनेट आर वेरी मच इन, उनका सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जाता है अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन को लोगों तक पहुंचाने में. सो वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के अंडर में आता है. इज़ इट ओके? Mass media and technology. Both print and electronic media have undergone multiple technological advancement over the years. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि मास मीडिया, जो हमारा मीडिया टेक्नोलॉजी है, वो एडवांस होता जा रहा है. डे बाय डे इट इज़ गेटिंग एडवांसर. Initially, only print media is used to transmit information in the form of books. पहले we don't used to have these computers and proper electricity was not there, no internets were there. तो तब print media का ही सबसे ज़्यादा use होता था. Alright, so the print media was used to transmit information in the form of books, newspapers and magazines. And what does electronic media includes? It includes radio and cable TV, becoming popular among the masses only during the 20th century. और जैसे जैसे एडवांसमेंट आती गई 20th century के बाद सबके पास टीवी हो गए थे एंड रेडियो वॉज अवेलेबल, तो इन्फॉर्मेशन उसके थ्रू मिल जाती थी. Today, the internet has become one of the most widely used mass media to transmit information around the world. Continuing from the book, page number 254. The technological advancement of media has led to the rapid transmission of information across the globe. It is because of the technology only and media. It is very much easier nowadays to give the information. A rapid transmission is there. बहुत जल्दी से हमारी जो information है वो across the globe means in the whole world we can spread the information. As a result, people have started to consider themselves a part of global community. हम सब global community का part हैं क्योंकि as a world हम हर information से updated रहते हैं. Alright, so for instance, earlier people could only analyze the policy taken by the government in their own state. पहले हम जितनी भी policy, rules and regulations होते थे government के, वो अपनी government के follow करते थे. However, nowadays people are updated about the policy adopted even in the other countries also. We're not, that means the information which is floating about the policies of the government in our country is not only important, knowing about other countries' policies and rules and regulations are also important at the same point. So, it is because of the mass media and technology, it is possible for us to know the information and policies adopted by other countries as well, such as US and UK. As a result, they are more up to date with the latest development around the world and equipped enough to take action against the policies that have been not introduced in the interest of the people. All right, so moving on to next, this is mass media in and money, how money is involved in mass media. Mass media has become an important part of people's lives in contemporary area. As mass media is important, lot of things are involved in the procedure of mass communication also. How? As a lot of people work on the constant development and regular operations of mass media. For example, various scientists contribute in the development of mass media. Similarly, an entire team, a team is already made up to conduct the process of mass media, that is the director, producer, the cameraman, the artist, editors and other contributors work day and night to cast a program on the television. The programs which you see on television is not a simple process, it has many loops in between, so a entire team is required to record that particular program which you see and enjoy on television. So students, we have done till this mass media and money. We'll be continue with the same topic in our next class. Till then, you can go through the chapter and we can discuss the problems in the Zoom class. Till then, happy learning.